Well, as you can see, Mellon has some new dry rock. I've added several more pieces of that. Also, sorry for that glare, also have added a couple more of the peppermint shrimp, which he hasn't ever bothered. Still got some frags growing out here. There's one of his feeder shrimps up there. And they like to stay on the hang on back intakes because that's where all the food gets soaked up. There's a new frag, I think, since I did a little video in here. And Mellon has a new friend too. Looking for a name, and I think this is going to be a young lady. Now, for those that don't know, this is a spiny box puffer. Beautiful, beautiful fish. And my intention, I think I mentioned a few weeks ago when I set this tank up, was to have a dog face and a spiny box. Whether that works out, time will tell. Mellon is not aggressive at all toward her, yet to be named, and probably will not be. Dog-faced puffers usually do well in a community type setup unless you try to add a second dog face. However, spiny box puffers can be a little bit more assertive, if not outright aggressive. So, going to be able to stay in all day tomorrow and keep a very close eye on these guys. Just to the local fish store today, obviously, and primarily that was to take a lot of the live fish out of those racks. They look like there's a lot of fish in there, and there is, but I've really thinned them out significantly, as well as the tank below here. And next on the agenda is to get some of these few hundred, literally bristlenose plecos that are in this tank over to the local fish store. I just have so many fish that I need to move some of them along to make room in tanks. So, it's hard to say what this young lady's name will be. I thought she was smaller than Mellon, the dog face, but they're basically the same size. Sorry, I'm trying to avoid that phone or that cord. Anyway, I'm just about out of battery and out of space, so we'll go ahead and close out right here.